Hey! In front of me is Motorola Moto G82, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. You need to start by going into Settings and choosing Connected Devices section over here. Now click on Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show. When they do, just tap on the one that you wish to connect to. Now you need to wait for the pop-up. In order to continue, select Pair in it and then wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, you can do that by choosing this gear icon next to the device, tapping on Forget and confirming your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!